Today, we are taking these humble chicken wings from fridge cold to fire hot and making them dangerously crunchy. These 0 to 400 wings turned out super crunchy and moist. SMUT! 0 to 400 wings have been blowing up on the internet for the last couple of years. So it was only a matter of time before we Schueyfied them. Now when handling raw chicken, it's your prerogative if you want to put your hands on it or glove up. I prefer to glove up. And today's hero is chicken wings that I grabbed from Mick out at Gippsland Premium Meats. And I grabbed full wings for today's recipe, and wings would have to be one of the easiest meats you can prep at home yourself. Using a sharp knife, you just want to separate the wings at the joint. It's quite easy, a little bit of pressure and a knife will find it. Keep the wings and put all the tips aside. You can make a good stock with them. And once they're all separated, you can pat them down with some paper towel just to remove that excess moisture. Don't forget to flip them over and do the other side. And then we can toss them into a big bowl and move on. Anyone who regularly watches my videos knows that I have two main loves. That is barbecue and chicken wings. So we're going to keep the seasoning simple. We're going to use some SPG or salt, pepper, garlic. Sergeant seasoning on board for action. Enemy acquired. Preparing to salt. Enemy advancing. Reloading with pepper. They just won't stop. Finishing off with garlic. Give them a good mix up, and then once they're coated evenly, the wings are officially not ready to eat. Please don't raw dog your chicken. Chicken wings were once discarded by butchers. Up until the 1960s, that is. That's when bars realised they could sell more beer when they served spicy hot wings. Today, we're firing up the Z Grill's pellet smoker. But here's a twist. The wings go into the smoker cold. Just spread them out. No, I'm not trying to kill you. Crank that bad boy up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for my fellow Celsius survivors. Set a timer for 30 minutes and go and enjoy your life for half an hour. Today's cook will take 1 hour, or for those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 2-beer cook. Cooking wings at a higher temperature breaks down the collagen a lot quicker. The result? More tender chicken wing and a crispy skin. You can't have hot wings without blue cheese sauce. It's illegal. Well, maybe not illegal, but you'll get weird looks. Into a blender goes some blue cheese, half a cup of whole egg mayo, half a cup of sour cream, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Pulse it until it looks like the inside of a cloud. Don't forget to scrape the sides down and pulse again. And bam, you have blue cheese sauce ready to rock. 30 minutes down and it's time to flip these little guys. Internally, they're reading 100 degrees Celsius, but we're not done yet. Now those that follow me know that I normally don't flip my wings, but we need to flip these wings for this recipe. Now slam the lid faster than your browser when your boss walks past you at work. Flipping your food quickly helps maintain the temperature in the smoker, thus allowing you to have a more steady cook and that temp won't drop too much. 45 minutes down and the danger zone is unlocked. Smoking wings though can sometimes curse you with rubbery skin. And that's gross. But because we are hammering these up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 204 degrees Celsius, we should be golden. But why risk it? A quick spray of oil guarantees you crispy skin. I'm using canola oil for those playing at home. And don't forget to flip your wings over again. And as always, you should always click your tongs twice before using them. And just leave them to crisp up. We're 55 minutes into this cook. It is now time to unleash the heat. Now, I'm spraying Franks RedHot sauce on these today, but why? Because it's genius, no mess and perfect coverage. And still ultra crunchy wings. I've been doing it this way for ages. Don't forget to click them. And then we can just flick the wings over and give them another spray. And then just chill for the last 5 minutes of the cook. Maybe even like this video and subscribe to the channel. I mean, your thumb's doing nothing anyway. Capsicum in hot sauce bonds to fat. This helps the sauce stick better, which gives your wings a longer lasting, deeper flavour. The wings are done. Pull them out and we're just going to plate them up. I mean, look how crispy that is. And then you're going to watch them vanish faster in your tax return, especially when everyone realises they're still crispy.